Hey everybody, this is Mark Bacon. This is my month in review for my project and portfolio 4 class. This is January 2019. So what went well this month and what challenges did I have? The things that went well, I really enjoyed using Bootstrap um, and taking the features and applying them in different places for different uses has been great. The challenges that kind of comes from that, though, you have to remember it is still a framework, so getting it to work correctly sometimes can be a little bit difficult. And even like the templates on the Bootstrap site didn't always work. And I found that using templates from other sites and kind of putting them together actually corrected some of those issues and things like that. So moving on here. During this month, like what my independent research, and I've been trying to kind of find good resources for this for a while now, consisted of, a lot of review on topics of like Lynda videos and also Treehouse, but just trying to find like places where I can find inspiring designs, design patterns, design elements. The first two are really great for just different layouts and functionality of different websites that you can incorporate, and that's in UI patterns and pattern tap. The awards website is really good, except that it's almost too contemporary sometimes, and it's not very practical for a lot of clients and customers. The last, the themes on like Bootstrap, those are really great for examples of how to incorporate different Bootstrap elements and features within the website. So, and then let's see here, the overview and final project of the process. You have the wireframe, the mockup, the development, and polish. And I would probably say the most important part of this before you do anything to making a beautiful site is research, research, research. It took, with brainstorming, we actually sat down with the client who's a friend of mine, and we talked about like what were the goals and what we wanted to accomplish. He wanted to keep the website nice, neat, and simple, and we didn't want to make it too complex. So that's kind of why it's very streamlined and minimalist. We use Bootstrap and across the page, creating like modals for the newsletter and also the contact. So let's go to the demo. So we'll pull this up over here. Okay, so here's the website. And you notice the nav bar with the Jumbotron, the logo. I even actually made the favicons for the website as well too. So, and then you come down here, you got the features across here. I also took there's a standard format for YouTube embeds, but actually was able to eliminate a lot of the extra stuff around the videos so that they will load much faster. You'll see that once we go to the next page here. We'll click on shows and you'll notice that they will load almost instantly. So there's no delay, there's no lag in actually pulling up and rendering all of these video thumbnails. So moving on here to the blog page, this was kind of an idea that I came up with, as you have like the picture and then like, the main title and a little brief blurb about the article. But once you hover over it, it highlights it and you see the chevron down here. They will expand to the article. And I really liked the utility of this, just so that you wouldn't have to navigate to another page and then go back and try to pick up your place where you were at. It was just all right here, and you could just kind of go through the articles and enjoy them, one at a time. So that was it. The about page, nothing too glamorous there. There wasn't a whole lot to really display there. Here's the newsletter sign up form. And then here is also the contact us form. So that saved me a little bit of time and a little bit of extra work by adding those as modal forms instead of just making them whole pages. So that's everything on my website. Let me know if you have any feedback. Thanks.